Greetings. It is an honor to be able to address you via this multimedia system. If I could, I would have liked to attend in person this two-day symposium. Thankfully, during the latter half of the 20th century, knowledgeable doctors and neuroscientists no longer held to the earlier asserted pessimistic notion that once a brain injury has occurred, inadequate functions that are either subsumed under or are associated with specific impaired brain regions could no longer be restituted. There is evidence that following a traumatic brain injury, a variety of brain repair processes take place, providing a scientific foundation for the field of neurorehabilitation. After World War I and II, the work of Kurt Goldstein and Alexander Luria, the two giants of our modern neuropsychology, has inspired researchers and clinicians to explore under which conditions and with what efficacy it may be possible to facilitate by means of specialized remedial and therapeutic interventions functional recovery after traumatic brain injury. Following in the footsteps of Goldstein and Luria, various forms of remedial and therapeutic approaches were initiated in medical rehabilitation settings. A significant variant of these approaches is holistic neuropsychological rehabilitation. Upon reviewing the program, I was delighted to see among the distinguished speakers the names of several colleagues and friends of mine. These include George Prigatano, Jana Sarayuri, Ritva Laksonen, Marty Fink, Wolfgang Kühne, Frank Hummel, and Sana Koskinen. I am certain that by the end of this symposium, you will be having a comprehensive picture of how far our field has progressed. In my experience, the optimal way of delivering holistic neuropsychological rehabilitation is when the program is organized to function as a therapeutic community. This is so for several reasons. 1. Within a therapeutic community setting, it is possible to form a peer group consisting of younger and older adults of varying ages and of different levels of education and vocational attainments. 2. In a therapeutic community milieu, it is also possible to best orchestrate the participation of significant others in the actual individualized or small group treatments. Experiencing in person how the staff treats their loved ones and witnessing their dedication, the significant others will establish a therapeutic alliance with the staff. And such an alliance is necessary for achieving optimal rehabilitation of their loved ones. Finally, the therapeutic community program setting makes it possible to best coordinate mutually reinforcing cognitive, metacognitive, and psychotherapeutic interventions so that the brain-injured individual may attain acceptance and find meaning in his or her life after rehabilitation. My best wishes to you all. I believe that you will find this symposium to be both informative as well as a rewarding experience.